Hello, this is Ian, author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. Today I'm going to show you 3 ways to publicly share a folder in Google Drive on either Windows or Mac OS. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and let's get started. So this is Google Drive opened up in Google Chrome. I always recommend opening up Google Drive in Google Chrome, either if you're on a Windows or a Mac machine or a Chromebook. And the reason is Google designs Drive to work best with Chrome. Once you are in Google Drive, go to My Drive. So click on this icon on the left side of the screen, and let's say that I want to share test folder here. There's 3 ways to do it. The first way is if you hover over test folder, you will see an icon that looks like a person with a plus next to it. That's share. So click that, and this share folder dialog will come up. And what it will prompt you to do is to share it either publicly or privately. Notice right now general access is restricted, so what we want to do is change it to anyone with the link. And then all you need to do is copy the link, and then I could stick that in an email or put it on social media or whatever if I wanted to share the contents of that folder publicly. The other way that you can do this is on the very right side of the row that contains the folder, you'll see 3 dots, more actions. Click on that, and then you can either select share or get link. So I'm going to just do get link. Again, it's the same dialog that pops up. Make sure that it says anyone with the link can open it. That way, if you want to make it public, and let's say people anywhere on the internet, they should be able to see it, you want the anyone with the link. Because if you choose restricted or your own company, then of course they'll need to have some sort of login, or you'll need to identify who they are. And finally, there's one other way to share the folder. Open up the folder. So I'm going to open that up. Here's this particular folder. You will see there's a little drop down next to the name. Click on that, and then again you'll have the share or get link. So if I wanted to again get the link, anyone with the link, copy link, paste it into whatever program you want, and we're good to go. For more information on how to get the most out of Google Drive and Docs, I've written a book about it. It's now in its 3rd edition. Go to in30minutes.com to learn more about it. And if this video helped, please take a moment to like and follow me. Thank you so much for watching.